Hello everyone. In this video I'll teach you about relation between electric field and potential, and we'll see some more topic like potential energy of a system of two charges and three charges in the absence of an external field or in the presence of external field. Now let us see the relation between electric field and the potential. So suppose this is the direction of the electric field and here two surfaces are there, and already we know that the field lines are always perpendicular to the surface, so that is why we will be little bit drawing this such that we will draw this in such a way that the electric field always remain perpendicular to this surface. And here potential suppose is V, and here potential is V plus dV. This is surface A and this one is surface B. Now the distance between these two surfaces is nothing but dr. The distance between the surface is dr. Now if you take a test charge from surface B to A, if you take a test charge Q naught from B to A, if you take here on this surface potential is V, this surface potential is V plus dV. So if you take the charge, if you take the charge Q naught, test charge from point B to A, then work done to take a charge Q naught from B to A. So what will be the work done? Work done will be equal to force into displacement, or also we can say work done is nothing but the potential difference between the two surfaces. So work done from B to A, will be equal to VA minus VB. Already I told you this one. VA minus VB by Q naught, but the value of Q naught is 1. So VA value is, what is the potential at VA at A? It is nothing but V minus, what is the potential at B? VB, that is V plus dV, and Q naught value is nothing but 1, so it will remain as it is. So V minus dV, so minus V, this one will cancel. No. But work done is equal to what? Work, in other words, work equal to force into displacement. The force is F and displacement is nothing but dr. So you see this charge Q naught is placed inside the electric field. If you put a charge Q naught inside the electric field, what is the force experienced by the charge Q naught? That force is given by Q naught E, and this dr will be there. Q naught value is 1, so 1 into E dr will be E dr only. So this work done from B to A will be equal to E dr. So this cancelled, so what will get? E is equal to minus dV by dr. E equal to minus dV, minus dV by dr. Now work is equal to minus dV by dr. What does it mean? It means that, see, if I write here dx by dt, what does it tell? It tells that distance is increasing with respect to time. Distance is increasing with respect to, this is called rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance. The rate of change, if it is said, it may be increasing also, but if rate of change of set, that means sometime it may increase and sometime it may decrease. But here if I write dx by dt, that means distance is increasing only with respect to time. If I say change, that means the quantity may increase or may decrease. But if I write dx by dt, it always indicates that x is increasing with respect to time. So here you see E equal to minus dV by dr. What does it tells? It tells that if I what does this dV by dr tells? It tells that potential is increasing with the distance. So potential is increasing with the distance, but we know that the formula V equal to KQ by R. What does it tells? It tells that with the distance, potential inversely proportional. Potential is inversely proportional to distance, means distance increases, potential decreases. Distance decreases, potential increases. But this formula, what it tells? What does it tells? It tells that dV by dr, what does it tells? It tells that potential is increasing with the distance. So these two formula will contradict. But here one minus sign is there. This minus sign will revert the value. You see, increasing 1, 2, 3, 4. But if I put minus sign, what is happening? It is decreasing. So this minus sign ensures that this formula doesn't goes wrong. So it tells us that the potential decreases with the distance because of this minus sign. I hope you understood this. So from this formula, what we can conclude? We can conclude that electric field is known as nothing but the negative gradient of potential. Electric field is defined as negative gradient of potential. Negative gradient of potential. Electric field is defined as the negative gradient of potential. So dV by dr, when below time is there, suppose x dx by dt, and below time is there, we can say rate of change of distance. We define as d by dt as rate. But when d by dr is there, d by dt is called rate, and d by dr is there, this is called nothing but a gradient. So we can say that electric field is nothing but the negative gradient of potential. Electric field is called negative gradient of potential. What does it mean? Sometimes they may ask. The potential is in the direction in which the potential decreases. The first property is that electric field is in the direction. Electric field is in the direction where potential decreases steepest. Means electric field will always be in that direction where potential decreases most. Where potential decreasing potential is most. Second property is that the magnitude of electric field is given by change in the potential per unit length. This is the second property. Magnitude of the electric field is given by change in potential per unit change in the length. So this is the relation between electric field and the potential. I hope you have understood this. Okay, so now next is potential energy of a system of two charge. Potential energy of a system of two charges. So let us arrange a system in which this is x axis, this is y axis. Two charges are present. One is q1, second one is q2. This is at the distance r1, r2, and the distance between q1 and q2 is nothing but the r12. Now for example, what do we want to calculate? What do we want to calculate here? Potential energy of a system of two charges. Potential energy of a system of two charges. So what is potential energy? Potential energy is nothing but the work done. So you calculate the work done in arranging these charges. So whatever work is done to arrange these charges, that work done is stored as a potential energy. So let us see. Suppose this is a piece of land. And this land has no owner. And even government also didn't occupy it. So if somebody comes here, will he need to put any effort to take this land? Obviously not, because this is nobody's. So he came and reached at this point. Now if some other person will come and try to stay here, whether he will be able to come here very easily? No, because this will oppose. This person will oppose. Now like this only, we want to arrange these two system of charge, and both are positive. Is it easier to arrange this? Answer is obviously not. So we want to calculate the work done in arranging these two, so that work done will be stored as a potential energy. So work done to bring Q1 at the position R1 vector. So what is the work done? Work done will be equal to 0, because very easily you can bring. So no external opposition is there. So that is why work done will be equal to 0. Now due to this charge Q1, there will be potential or not? This person will say, this is my land. That means due to this charge Q1, at this point there will be potential or not? So the potential at R2 vector due to Q1 is potential V1 will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by Q1 by R1 2. Work done to bring Q2 at the position R2 vector will be, what will be the work done? Work done equal to VQ. So which charge you have brought? You have brought Q2 charge here. You have brought Q2 charge here. So Q2 will be there. This potential is whose potential? Potential of Q1 due to here. So that potential is V1. So V1 is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by Q1 by R12 multiplied by Q2. So since work done is stored as energy, so potential energy E will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by Q1 by Q2 divided by R12. So this is the potential energy stored in arranging a system of two charges. I hope you understood these two topics. I will try to explain you the remaining in the next video. Thank you very much till then.